Welcome. Today, we're jumping into a topic that a lot of people think about: facial rejuvenation. Specifically, we're going to take a modern look at the brow lift with some fantastic insights from the experts over at Sacramento Aesthetic Surgery.
You know that feeling, right? Someone asks if you're okay or says you look tired, but inside you're feeling great. It's such a common thing, and honestly, it can be a little frustrating. That disconnect is exactly what gets many people thinking about their options. So today, let's unpack why that happens and see what a modern brow lift can actually do. So, what's really going on here? Well, it's pretty simple. As the years go by, our skin naturally loses some of its elasticity. Gravity does its thing, and, the brow and forehead area, they're often one of the first places to show it. This can lead to an appearance that just doesn't match how we feel. And it's usually not just one single thing, right? It's the combination. A brow that's sitting a little lower can create shadows, making you look tired all the time, and those deep lines on your forehead, or those 11 lines right between your eyes, they can make you look a little bit angry or worried, even when you're in a great mood. It's really about more than just wrinkles. It's about getting back your natural, rested, and approachable expression. Okay, so what's the fix? How do we address this and bring back that more youthful, refreshed look? Well, this is where the modern brow lift comes in. It's a really elegant solution that can make a huge difference. Let's dive into what the procedure is all about. Now, let's tackle the biggest fear right away: the surprised look. Nobody wants that. And a modern brow lift, when it's done by a real expert, is all about subtlety. The whole point is to gently lift and reposition the brow back to where it should be, smoothing things out for a look that's totally natural and refreshed. Think of it as looking like you just after a really, really good vacation. Of course, the success of any procedure like this really comes down to the surgeon's technique and the tools they're using. And that's where a place like Sacramento Aesthetic Surgery shines. They're using some really advanced methods that put patient comfort first and deliver absolutely amazing results. Let's take a look at how they do it. Okay, so you can really see the evolution here. The traditional method, well, it works, but it involves a longer incision. But the endoscopic technique on the right, that's a total game changer. By using a tiny camera on a thin tube, the surgeon can work through a few small incisions that are hidden up in the hairline. What does that mean for you? Less scarring, a much faster recovery, and a more comfortable experience overall. It's a huge leap forward. Technology is amazing, but let's be honest, it's only as good as the person using it. When it comes to cosmetic surgery, nothing, and I mean nothing, is more important than the surgeon's skill, their experience, and their artistic eye. This is really where Dr. Donald Hause stands out. We're talking about more than 20 years of experience here. Dr. Donald Hause is a board-certified plastic surgeon. That's a big deal. It means he's met the absolute highest standards for training, safety, and expertise in his field. All those years give him this incredible understanding of facial anatomy, which allows him to create results that are not just beautiful but look completely natural. This quote from Dr. Hause really says it all. It gets right to the heart of his philosophy. It's not just about getting a great aesthetic result. It's about doing it in a way that always puts the health and safety of the patient first. That commitment is everything. And that focus on patient care goes way beyond just the day of surgery. A truly successful outcome is about the entire experience, from that very first conversation all the way through your recovery. So let's walk through what that journey looks like. The whole process at Sacramento Aesthetic Surgery is designed to be supportive and seamless. It all starts with a really thorough consultation, where you can talk about your goals and get all your questions answered. From there, you get personalized care to get you ready for the procedure. Then comes the surgery itself, which is done with incredible precision. And afterward, you're not on your own. You get comprehensive guidance to make sure your recovery is as smooth and comfortable as possible. It's a complete, holistic approach. So if you've been listening and thinking, yeah, I want to look as vibrant as I feel, then the next step is really simple. Schedule a consultation. It's your chance to get one-on-one advice and see what a personalized plan would look like just for you. And getting in touch is super easy. You can give them a call, check out their website for more info, or go straight to their page on the brow lift to really dig into the details. All the information you need is right there. Your journey to feeling a little more refreshed starts with just that one simple step. And that brings us right back to where we started. Does the face you see in the mirror really reflect the energy you have inside? Remember, a modern brow lift isn't about changing who you are. It's about letting your inner vitality shine through. So, if you're ready to make sure your outside matches your inside, the team at Sacramento Aesthetic Surgery is ready to help you get there.